Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, look at what I got my grubby paws on today. This is the Ducati 690 Monster. Its L-twin engine produces 73 horsepower and 60.8 Newton meters of torque. It is one of the first motorcycles with a stressed member engine that I have. It's super. This thing has a dry weight of only 168 kilograms, which makes it by far one of the lightest motorcycles I've ever ridden, apart from riding dirt. It also has a full Brembo braking system, which means that the brakes are exceptionally good, as well as the fact that they've got braided lines for the front and rear, which is absolutely epic. So I'm just going to do a couple of get comfortable with the bike. It's 100% there. There seems to be a good thing with the back. So I'm going to give this another run around here just so that I can get more comfortable with the feel of the bike. Then we're going to go to the petrol station, top up the tires, make sure we've got the pressure nice and sorted, and then we're going to head out. Let's take it away. Alright guys, so let me just come straight up and tell you that whilst I was filming this, I had a lot of things that went very much against the plan that I'd had for the day. For example, you guys know that my GoPro bombed out in my previous videos, so I have this adapter that I fabricated to connect my cell phone onto the helmet, but the plastic thing that came with my tripod actually broke whilst I was filming, so I thought like, damn, I'm not going to be able to continue filming until I eventually ended up going to the shops and getting a replacement part. Then the mic setup that I used was a little bit different. I would normally use an auxiliary recorder because my GoPro doesn't allow a mic input. However, because I was filming on my cell phone, I thought I can use the same microphone that I normally use, plug that into my phone, and it'll work exactly the same. But there seems to be some pre-processing that's done by my recording device, and so the audio quality was massively affected by the wind noise, as you heard in the introduction. So I'm going to sort of voice over this little piece of content of me riding and tell you what the riding experience of this Ducati 695 Monster is. Yes, it's a 695. I made a mistake in the intro. Don't shoot me, I'm the world's worst YouTuber. So riding this bike was really absolutely incredible. Everything was absolutely smooth. It was like butters from start to finish. You pull off and it just wants to go, and the gear changes are nice and smooth, and everything just seems to work smoothly like butter. It's a really comfortable ride. One of the biggest things that I found to be a challenge is that the bike has got straight bars on it, and this put me in a very aggressive forward position, which was massively uncomfortable when I was riding around in the neighborhoods. However, once I got the bike into the twisties, having these wide bars that put your arms out like this, keep your elbows up, really gave me massive amounts of control over the bike, and that was absolutely fun. Just being able to flick the bike from left to right, and just having it listen to you, with the fact that the gears are very smooth and everything just about its ride is smooth, just made it absolutely awesome to ride. I will say though that this isn't really the bike that you're gonna go and just do 0 to 100 pulls and get some crazy top speeds out of it, but that's not really what you're buying when you're buying a 695. Other than that, riding this bike was an absolute blast, and I just want to say a huge thank you to Peter for letting me borrow his bike for this video. It was really an awesome opportunity and I really do appreciate it. I do hope you guys like this video, so please give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what bikes you would like me to ride next. Subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell. And remember, whatever life is throwing at you, don't look down, look ahead. And until next time, ride safe.